Today we are fixing the Chevy Cobalt key because it sucks, and a lot of Chevy keys are, this is same exact fob, so if you have a Chevy Tahoe, a Camaro, a Sierra, maybe even a GMC car, I'm not sure, but a lot of GM cars have this fob, and eventually they fail and they don't work right.
So we heard some clunking on the front of the car.
We're getting passed by the sheriff.
Now you might think, hey, why don't I just clean this out? But the issue is that the contact, the conductive material on this rubber side isn't conducting very well anymore. And so what we're going to do is replace that conductive material with this adhesive copper. Link in description. You can get this on Amazon, get it in 2 days, free shipping if you're a Prime member, link in description. So we've just got this flat head here. We're gonna mangle the crap out of our little fob because they don't give you a nice little spot to pry it open. You've probably already tried replacing the battery thinking that's your issue, but it's not that. It's not your battery. It's these contacts. That right there. It's no longer conducting. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut a small piece of copper tape for each of these buttons. Is that how many we need? And we are going to apply that, and it's probably going to fall off in a week, but hey, it's cheap. You just put another layer on. See that? Do that to all 5 of them, and then we will show you our great success.
I think you're good.
There was like grease on that one. It doesn't stick.
Yeah.
When was the last time you panicked in this car?
Every day.
Squeeze it back together, and now we will show you the beautiful results that is all of these buttons constantly being in contact with the switch.
And actually working.
No, like it's probably trying to unlock and lock your car right now.
No way.
Hot diggity dog!